Just want to do a quick little addendum video here to correct myself. Initially I thought these two buttons were the rates button, and then I thought it was the throttle trim buttons. Turns out it is the pitch roll stick. If you push in the pitch roll stick, you'll switch between 3 rates, and the third rate is pretty nice. So I'm going to pick up the video where I figure that out and let you guys see it. I'm so confused right now. Okay, so I was wrong again. It is not the throttle trim button, it is this button. You push the that guy in. So there's 3 rates on this guy. Whoa, whoa. And this third rate's actually pretty cool on here. I'm liking that. So man, I really messed that one up. But I swear the manual was saying it was this button over here, but this is actually photo and video, depending on which version you got. This is the Wi-Fi version, so those are gonna be non-functioning, I suppose. Whoa, you get a nice little yaw on this. So I'm impressed with this guy, the KK drone. Way better than I thought it was. So that's back to the first rate. Let's see if the yaw, so here's the yaw on the first rate. Let me go this way. Yaw on the first rate. Second rate, it's gonna increase slightly. And third rate is going to increase even more. So there you go. And it flips nice. Ooh, got a little vortex ring state there. It does give itself a little throttle. But yeah, this guy, whoa, I hit myself. So yeah, this one does actually, oh, I didn't realize which way I was facing there. My bad. Looking at it the wrong way. Either that or I'm in headless mode. No, we're good. So yeah, you get a pretty good pitch here on this third rate. So let's go back to the Walsh corner and then full forward pitch. Not too bad. Full forward pitch. Not too bad. So yeah, I was completely wrong on this guy. It gets a nice yaw, a nice aggressive third rate. So there's 3 rates on this. Big time, I was confused. My bad, guys, my bad. The KK drone. I'm liking the urban camo look. Makes me think of SWAT or something. You're either SWAT or you're not. This is not SWAT, this is a nice little quad. I have attempted to fly through the chandelier here. I should not do that, it's not a good idea. But here, let's go to the first rate and see if we can get through. I've done this before with smaller drones. See if we can do it. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to do that. We're like just barely big enough maybe to go in there. Yeah, so I'll give up on that. Maybe when I get a nice nano in there or something. So again, the pitch and roll stick is going to be your rates button. And I wish there was a way you could like shut off the Wi-Fi camera so you save some battery if you didn't want to use it. Are we flashing now? Yep, we're flashing LVC. So I'm going to fly this until it lands itself, then I'm going to check the battery. This is again the 260 milliamp hour battery from the B-Whoop. It came with the B-Whoop. Just because that's what I had charged. So, not sure of our flight time. Flight time's probably gonna be a little bit shorter here because we been flying pretty aggressive here. But it flies nice. I like these whoops, man. I can't get enough of them, really. They're fun. Everyone I've ever flown I've had a good time with. Never had a bad experience with a whoop style aircraft. This one's the Wi-Fi whoop. So it gets a little crazy on the third rate there. Look at that, see that pitch and roll, pretty aggressive. So there's full forward, full backward, full forward, full backward, and we'll go pitch and roll, or I'm sorry, left and right roll. So yeah, it's pretty aggressive on this third rate. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What am I doing here? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna land it here. So I apologize there, I was totally wrong on the rates on this. It has the 3 rates, and that 3rd rate's a lot of fun. So definitely check out the KK drone if you're looking for a beginner style whoop, Wi-Fi, if you're not interested in FPV, or if you just like the look of it. If you can't get enough of these whoops, it's not a bad flyer. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry again for the confusion. The KK drone here is pretty nice. Definitely a good beginner flyer if you're interested in some sort of Wi-Fi ducted beginner quadcopter. This one is a nice flyer. It has a nice 3 rates on it. Mostly going to be an indoor flyer for you. You probably can fly it outside on a calm day. So again, apologize for the little misinformation there, and I will see you guys in the next video.